Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so for today's video, we're going to be going into something not beauty related. We're going to be talking about
how to clean her bowl.
Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so if you can't tell, this is Grove Collaborative. I don't know much about it. I just bought it. Just came in the mail. And this right here is my niece. And she's dirty as hell. And really messy. So I had to buy really good cleaning stuff to tame all that.
She's lying.
Okay. Scoot your butt over. Alright, so this right here is the Grove Collaborative box. It's big, giant. Scoot back then. Jeez Louise. So this is the big, giant box. It's 846 pounds. I weighed it. Yeah, so we're just going to cut into this bad boy and see what we got. And, yeah, if that's something that interests you, then just keep on watching. Let's get into this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right. Oh. That was very underwhelming. Okay, so this is what the inside looks like. A bunch of goodies. So if you guys don't know about Grove Collaborative, well, I don't either, but it's basically a bunch of household items that you can order online and get them shipped to your house, and I think they're all natural. And the prices really aren't that bad, but when I signed up for this box, I got a bunch of free stuff. Maybe I will need this after all. I got a bunch of free stuff just for signing up or something. I don't really freaking know, but it's a ton of crap if you can't tell. All right, so first up in the box, we got the Grove Collaborative Walnut and Cellulose Scrubber Sponge Set. Anyway, this is it here. Yeah. Super exciting. I always need sponges because she don't know how to clean dishes.
You liar.
Next, we got
It's red.
a bottle of liquor. No, I'm just kidding. That's what it looks like. It looks like it's bagged in like the brown paper bags when you leave the liquor store. Okay, I'm an alcoholic. All right, cool. Next, we got the Myers Clean Day Aromatherapeutic Household something. This is the hand soap. I'm not going to read all that. I did see that you can buy this stuff in Walmart too, but hey, I'm lazy. So if I can get it sent to my door, you know I'm going to do that.
And it was free.
Oh, yeah. And then how do I know what's free? I wonder if this will.
Because it has a 0 beside it.
There's no 0 beside this. I don't know, but a lot of this crap was free. I'm pretty sure this was included in the free. This was included in the free. Next we got, go ahead.
16-ounce spray bottle.
Wow. Enthusiastic, I tell ya. Oh, wow, look how cute the packaging is. Hold on, I have to talk about the packaging. Look at this. I love little packaging like this. This is the Grove Collaborative 16-ounce spray bottle with a silicone sleeve. And it's so cute.
And it's got a spray bottle in there.
No way.
Holy cow.
Oh, fancy schmancy. She's going to break it in a week.
Here's something amusing. It's got silicone on it.
That's what it said.
It's so it don't break.
Yeah, so it's a glass spray bottle. So I guess you can put your cleaner in here and then look all fancy when you're cleaning. So fancy. I'm just kidding. And then it's got this cute little silicone at the bottom. This was also free.
It's glass.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Next, we're going to go into this guy.
What's that?
This is the Real Simple Clean Stain and Odor Treatment.
Good, we can bathe you.
It's for you. I bought this for you. Again, everything comes so like nicely packaged. And I know this is just a plastic bag, but like everything's separated. And I don't know, it just seems like they kind of care, if that makes any sense. Anyway, so this isn't free. This is something I purchased. All natural enzyme formula tackles stains and persistent odors. That's this here. So that's not free.
Now we're going to go into some dish soap.
That's not free. I also... No, wait. Was that one of the free things?
No, this wasn't free.
So
The dishwasher liquid was free.
Okay, one of them was free. Anyway.
This is lavender.
So, the Myers Clean Day dish soap cuts grease and is biodegradable. Oh, that's pretty cool.
That's why you bought it.
Yeah, I know,
You read
but
about it.
I know. That's so cool. Anyway, this is the dish soap. So, it looks like a pretty decent size, too. It came with all this paper. It was free.
You really needed it. Let's see what this little baby is. Some lavender and thyme.
Time. That's time.
Oh, floor cleaner.
Oh, wow. Lavender and thyme, guys. read this, guys, right here. Hold on.
Lavender.
Time.
It says thyme. There's an H in it. Today, I got a new one.
Oh, God.
Today, I'm going to be as useless as the H in time.
Oh, my God. Okay, so this is the 1 ounce concentrate with the floor cleaner. Floor cleaner.
This one's leaking.
Oh, snap, crackle, pop.
Look, it's all over it.
No, it's fine. It's not that bad. Okay, hold on. We're not there yet.
Stinks.
You're getting ahead of yourself. Quit. Okay. Yeah. This is, I guess you just, like, put a little bit of this, twist off, blah, 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 blah.
Like super glue.
Anyway, I guess you just put a little bit of this in, like, some water, and I guess you have floor cleaner. I'm not really sure, so.
I think it's spot cleaner.
Anyway, next we have the multi-surface everyday cleaner. So, it's like a countertop cleaner, I guess. Also by the brand Myers. Super cute. Again, I can't remember what's free and what's not free, so it is what it is. Okay.
I know this one's free.
This here is the Method antibacterial toilet cleaner. That's pretty cool. I've been needing some toilet cleaner, and this one wasn't free. I know that I ordered this one because her booty nasty all the time.
No, it's not.
So we got to get that toilet clean. You know what I'm saying?
She's lying.
Anyway, so that's cute. Look how big it is. It looks huge.
It's as big as your head.
All right.
Let's do this one. Anti-bac.
Yeah.
Bathroom cleaner is spearmint.
Smell like bubble gum or what? No, I'm just kidding. Method anti-bac bathroom cleaner and spearmint. So again, just another cleaner, but for the bathroom. I know that I purchased this. I'm pretty sure that I purchased this one. Yeah, super cute.
And you know we all need trash bags, man.
Oh yeah.
So we can bag up our bodies.
Mm-hmm. Gotta bag them bodies up. I'm kidding. It's a joke, people. Calm down. It was a joke. Okay.
We might just bury them.
Anyway, so some trash bags, but I will say that it's really beat up. Like, the box is beat up, so this is the first thing out of all of them that's like...
Because there's so many bottles mushed in there.
Yeah, but I don't know. They should have packaged this, like, on top or something, maybe. But anyway, these are by 7th Generation, extra strong, tall kitchen drawstring trash bags. Now, 2 times stronger. Okay, anyway. And it comes with 20, and I need the trash bags, so that's cool.
You remind me of Joey off of Full House.
Okay. And last, but certainly not least, is the 7th Generation dishwasher detergent gel. So this one wasn't free. It was this one that was free. No. I don't know. I'm going to stop pretending like I know what I'm talking about. Okay. 7th Generation dishwasher detergent gel. That's this right here.
I think the stuff that's marked off is the stuff you got for free because they marked... No.
No, because I bought those kitchen bags. Anyway, so this is the last of the box. Everything in it. Hold on. I want to say... Let me see here. If I could get on my phone, but I record with my phone, I'd be able to see. God, I look a hot mess, y'all.
Told you to use the iPad.
I'm looking crazy, girl. It's the end of the night, and I'm ready to go to bed, so... It is what it is. Okay. Alright, so that's everything that I got in this box. I'll keep you guys updated if it's like stuff I actually like. This is my first time purchasing it, but if I do like it all, it's all really good prices. This all usually would cost like $40, I think, or 40-something dollars, and I only paid $26, and that's with the shipping and everything. So, this is a lot of really good household items for not that much money. So, I'll keep you guys updated if it's something I'm interested in and want to keep on purchasing. But yeah, that's it, guys. So... Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, yeah, my bad. So, if you like this kind of video or into this, whatever, I know it's not beauty related, but I figured I'd throw it in here anyway.
Still cleaning yourself.
Yeah, what she said. Anyway, so make sure you guys give this video a big
Thumbs up.
a big thumbs up.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, what she said, and
enjoy this beauty.
Bye!
Bye!
Happy birthday!
Hey everybody, welcome back.
No, start again. Try it again.